Hi guys, today let's check out this BMW 8 Series Grand Coupe. This is 850i BMW. This is the front grille, LED lights, adjunct, alloy wheel with black color, rear lights. This is the key of the car. Let's check out the interior. This car is made in Germany. It has memory seat functions, steering mounted controls. It has sunroof, big sunroof, dual sunroof. This is the gear lever. Screen. Instrument cluster. It has cruise control. That is accelerator pedal, brake pedal, start stop button. This is the hand brake, parking brake. This is to start the engine. This is to control the screen. This is luxury large coupe, 4 doors sedan. There are some switches with the gear lever to control the modes. It's showing now parking. There is a LED screen, small screen. It's showing D. There is a switch over there. Sports mode, comfort mode. There are 3 modes in this car. You can change the modes by pressing the button and controlling by gear lever. It's in parking now, or now not in parking. This is the rear camera. This car is 4-door sedan. Weight of the car is 1890 kg. This car comes with 2 engine options, 3.08 auto, which is 333 horsepower and 500 Newton meter of torque. It can reach 0 to 100 within 5.2 seconds. And the another engine comes with 4.4 V8 4-wheel drive, 8 auto, 530 horsepower and 750 Newton meter of torque. This engine can reach 0 to 100 within 3.7 seconds. Top speed is 250 km per hour. This is how it drives. 8 series include dynamic drive control with 4 modes: Comfort, Normal, Sports and Sports Plus, as well as Comfort Start head-up display, multi-channel audio system, rear seat entertainment, 4-door automatic air conditioning and BMW iDrive control. BMW connected